Zinger pieces chicken 750 grams. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. 1½ tablespoon mustard paste. Mix all added spices well and stir it for 30 minutes. ½ kilogram corn flour and 1 teaspoon salt. Tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon chili. Mix all added spices well. Now, take a piece of chicken and cover it with spiced corn flour. Dip in water, then again cover it with spiced corn flour. Teaspoon salt cream, ½ teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon oregano, teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix all added spices and sauces. Fry Zinger pieces until it golden. Now dress it with all items. Enjoy chicken Zinger burgers.